Okay, let's look at it. Don't worry about the mesh. Mine is having some problem lately. They're gonna have to patch it. But no worries. We're just looking at the motion anyway. Yeah, I like it. The only thing I'm not big fan is the arms so stretched out. You know what I'm saying? I wish they were not so stretched out, basically. And that's because you didn't. Yeah, it's because they're stuck. Um, you need to do what I told you to do, which is basically you get rid of that IK, all right, that you have right here. So it's got to be the same thing with that one too, because I showed you in the video to fix it. What you need to do is delete the IK, and you are gonna give an initial angle right here on that one. Don't worry about that. And then you go back into the rigging and skeleton, and you set prefer angle to that. And it's not gonna mess up your animation, so don't worry. But now it's put a new initial angle. You do the same thing for that one too. Alright, so you need to delete the IK. I'm gonna delete everything right here. Alright. So you put it right there. And same thing, you select it and you go to skeleton. Sorry, right here, set prefer angle. And now you go back to the skeleton, you put your IK handle in it. And it'll work properly. You know what I'm saying? Same for that. So then you snap it again to the proper, positioning wherever you want it, and then you do child, parent again, and that really take a minute, as you can see, and that's not gonna mess up your animation, so you can keep your motion like that. Okay, please do that. Your motion is really good beside your arms. So I'm not gonna take any points right now for your arms, but you need to fix it. I showed you twice. That's the second time I'm showing it to you. You need to do it. Maybe next time you didn't have the time to do it, and that's fine with me. This time you will have time to do it. Come on, let's do it. Okay? Thank you. Good job, though. It looks good. You keep that speed you have. It's exactly what I'm looking for.